What's up, everybody? Brent Senna here with Redfin again. I picked the windiest days to come out. Just showing you these new construction homes up here on 128th and Quebec. Let's head in so I can chat. I'll post like a front picture of this one, but this one, super nice. 3-bed, 2-bath, unfinished basement, huge basement, just over 1,900 square feet. They do a lot of upgrades. She was telling me extra insulation, bigger 2x4 stuff, construction stuff essentially. Let's see. So first bedroom here off to the right. You got the luxury vinyl plank flooring, light in the lighter color. And then you got a full bath right here. Quartz countertops. I like all the black finishes, tall ceilings. You can see that's just a closet. Let's see, second bedroom here. And these bedrooms are decent size, not too bad. And this one's just under $725K. And you've got your laundry in here. And here's the nice thing, that the appliances, at least in this one, are in here. So a lot of linen closet. A lot of these new builds are not including the appliances. You know what? Let's go downstairs first, just to get it over with. So, unfinished basement, but I mean, this thing's huge. So you got a sump pump and pit there, and they've done a lot of the drywall already. So you've got like drywall up on here. But yeah, this thing is huge. I mean, active radon mitigation system here. And it's plumbed to put in any other bathrooms or sinks or whatnot. You got your water shut off, but just huge. It just wraps around. It's your furnace there, plumbing there. But I mean, it's like you probably have double the square footage, so just over 1,900 square feet. It's got to be the same down here. So super huge. Finish that up. Do put your finishing touches on it. And very wide open. Again, a lot of these homes you're seeing open concept. Just everything in the kitchen and living room just kind of blends. And it's got little like shelving there, fireplace, mantle, and then look at this huge island. Gas stove, and then again your appliances. So you got a fridge, pantry, oven and microwave, another coat closet, and then kind of a little nook, coffee bar, liquor bar, whatever. Garage, 3-car, huge top up space. All right, and then check out this deck, and it goes back. It'll be a little windy, but really nice deck. So yards on this one, not too big, but again, pretty standard for new construction. And then we'll head to the primary. And wait till you see this bathroom, but decent size, primary bed. And then I think the focal point of this is this bathroom here. Check this out. Huge tub, got the sink, quartz countertops, tile, the black finishes. Then you've got a stand-in shower, and they've done the tile on the bottom as well. It's not just a plastic pan. Tile up. So it looks really good. Toilet, huge closet. So, and they're getting ready. You've got the dual sinks too. So one sink here and one here. They're getting ready to take pictures today. It is already on the market, but it is ready to go. So if you're looking to do a quick tour of this one, give me a call. We'll schedule a showing. Head out again, 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,900 square foot. That's just the finished. Probably the same downstairs. Same thing. builder and their lender, amazing incentives going on. This one has the appliances, just a lot of great incentives right now for new construction. So feel free to give me a buzz. Thanks again.